Beauty benefits of Apricot Oil and Source. Benefits: naturally condition hair, help reduce dark circles, skin scrub, massage oil, anti-aging, helps prevent blackheads. Now foods, solutions, apricot oil review. Description: 100% pure moisturizing oil. Softens fine lines. Moisturizes dry hair. Non-GMO Project Verified. Expeller pressed and Hexane free. Suggested use: as a body moisturizer, apply a few drops of 100% pure apricot kernel oil to the desired area and gently massage. For dry hair, place a couple drops into palm of your hand and work into hair strands. Other ingredients: Prunus armeniaca, apricot, kernel oil.